Just the bag is giving me life. What's up, all my aliens? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Naya, and here we talk all things beauty, lifestyle, and commentary. So be sure to hit the subscribe button down below because I know you're going to want to come back for more videos. Trust me. Now, it is the 1st of March. It is a new month, new time to reset, and I'm bringing y'all March Madness this month, which means every single day of March, you're getting a video. Similar to like Vlogmas and Vlogtober, y'all are getting videos every single day this month, so stay tuned. But as you can see by the title, we're gonna be kicking off March Madness with an unboxing, and today we unboxing some Bottega Veneta sunglasses, and this, just the bag is giving me life. Like, it's just so fancy, it's so pretty. It's my favorite color. I love green so much. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get straight into this video. All right, so I got 2 pairs of shades to try on for y'all right here. This right here is the girl's contact info who helped me pick the shades out. Sometimes with like luxury places, you do get your like a little personal shopper, and you're able to contact them if you see something you like and you want them to hold that for you, because a lot of this stuff is limited. At Bottega, it's also limited. So let's just go ahead and try on the first pair. Get the box. Just look at that box. Like, even just the box is giving life. Like, I cannot. So inside the box, it comes with the little cleaning sheet that also says Bottega on it. And this is the style called Angle. Ooh. This style is called Angle. It's like a cat eye. The details on these glasses are so nice. Like if you look at the glasses, sorry, my ring light is up in there. If you look at them, they are transparent, so you can see through the material. The lenses are not that dark, so it does protect from sun, but it's pretty subtle. These are a day and night shade. So let's just go ahead and see what they looking like. Oh, these are cute. These are very cute actually, and I feel like I'm kind of an aesthetic right now with these on. Like the beige, the nudes thing that I got going on with the nude lipstick too. It's a vibe. It's definitely a vibe. If y'all don't know, I'm going on vacation soon, so I had to, you know, get some new sunglasses for the vacay. And yeah, these are looking real cute. Again, this is the style called Angle, and the color is Almond. They do come in another color. Shoot, what's the other color? Can't think of it on top of my head right now, but I saw 2 colors that this came in. So if you don't like this color, there is another one. I'll put it up on the screen so y'all can see what the 2 colors are. But yeah, let's go on to the second pair. Second pair, had to have them. Like, I'm not even a pink person like that. I'm more of the nudes, the earth tones. But these pink ones were calling my name, and I had a pink dress that I also have to match them, so I had to get that. Again, comes with the Bottega cloth to clean the lenses, and then you also have the certificate of authenticity. So if you ever wanted to like resell the shades, I guess give them away if that's what you do, but these are expensive, so if you ever want to sell them, you can put the information right here, and it just shows that you're not scamming the potential buyer. The style of these is called Ridge, and as you can see, they got more of like the metal piece there. This piece right here is also see-through if you want to look closely. And then on the sides is the same material as this little like band up here. And they even say Bottega inside. Might not be able to see it, but like in here it says Bottega, and then that's pretty much it. Let's try these ones. Yes, it's giving me life again, the second time. These actually kind of look pink when I'm looking through them. I don't know, maybe it's just me, maybe it's just like this part right here, but the lenses is low-key reflecting pink. I'm definitely gonna take some pictures and create a little outfit with these, so y'all could follow me on the Insta if you want to check those out, because they won't be in any other videos. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna do some pics because I think these are really cute, and the outfit I have in mind with this, I think it's gonna work. I'm still looking for shoes, but I think it's gonna work. These also come in the color blue, like a really cute aqua blue. Honestly, the website doesn't do these shades justice as far as the color goes, because the color is a very vibrant, bright, like hot pink, almost neon. So the website makes them look a little bit lighter than what they are, like more on the pastel-y end, but they're actually really, really bright. And these are tight, so these are not falling off your head. They're very, very tight. All right, you guys, comment down below which pair that you're feeling more. Are you more of a ridge person, or are you feeling the angle shades more? Are you into the more sporty, or are you into the cat eye style? So comment down below and let me know, because I would definitely love to, you know, see y'all's answers. I think I'm feeling the ridge a little more because I do like the more sporty look, but they're both really cute. And I think the angled pair looks good with these colors, like this beige. If you get the almond shade, wear like a beige. Earth tones, like I said, earth tones, wear those earth tone shades, perfect. But if you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button down below. Join the Alien fam, because we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and it would mean so much to me if y'all would just join the Alien fam. You know, get locked in, because, you know, like I said, I'm giving you videos every single day this month. So if you enjoyed this one, there's many, many more to come. Also, like the video, it's super, super helpful. Join us on Discord at the Alien fam. It's gonna be right in the description box down below. It's a little more tight-knit, close-knit than YouTube, so, you know, join in over there. Follow me on my Instagram. It's gonna be right here across the screen for you. Connect with me, because I do connect back. And I will see y'all tomorrow and every single day this month for new videos. Peace.